let's open up this Peppa Pig giant surprise egg. Let's see what's inside.
Did you hear that?
We have a penguin.
Little penguins are meticulous with their preening, which is essential for feather maintenance.
Cool.
We have a seahorse.
With their weird looks, romantic tendencies,
We have Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty, meow meow, nice. Hello Kitty, Kitty's paradise.
We have Peppa Pig in a bicycle helmet.
Oing, oing.
And we have Peppa Pig with a bow.
Oh, this is a brontosaurus.
Brontosaurus.
Alright, let's move on to our Paw Patrol egg. Let's open it up. Did you guys hear that? We have PJ Masks Owlette.
Gotcha.
Cool.
We have PJ Masks Catboy. Super squishy.
Ow, 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 ow.
We have a shopping car. We have a Disney Princess Rapunzel.
Floors and sweep till the floor's all clean. Polish and wax, do laundry and mop and shine up.
We have a purple bear. It's also very squishy. And we have some delicious candy.
Yeah.
Next, we have an LOL giant surprise egg. Whoa, did you guys hear that? Let's see what's inside. Whoa, we have Anna from Frozen.
Your life awaits. Go enjoy the sun and open up.
Mickey Mouse.
Hey everybody, it's me, Mickey Mouse. Say, you want to come inside my clubhouse?
Mickey Mouse. Rubble.
I've got an itch. I can't reach.
Masha.
Boyfriends, even though you are not the newest of all my toys, you are my favorite one.
Ryder.
Uncle Otis?
Sunglasses. And ice cream. Yum. And gold elephant.
In contrast to their other African relatives, keep aside for a moment.
LOL stickers. And more candy. Let's open up this giant Paw Patrol surprise egg. But this time it's yellow. You guys hear that? Whoa! There's so much candy! Look how much candy we have! Whoa! This is so much! You guys want some? Alright, let's move on to our last egg. A Disney Princess surprise egg! You guys hear that? Some even more candy! Whoa! These are some great candy! Whoa! Look how much candy we have. And we have a Disney princess sticker with Rapunzel and other Disney princesses. And we have a Peppa Pig chocolate surprise egg. Let's open it up. Whoa, look at this chocolate. It looks so tasty. Whoa! We have George's favorite dinosaur. And it's also candy. Guys, want some?
Yum, 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 yum.